In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image to fill your text in PowerPoint. This is a simple effect that can make your title or headline look much more creative and polished. Instead of using a plain color inside your text, PowerPoint lets you place an image directly inside the letters, which is great for presentations, cover slides, posters, or anything that needs a stronger visual impact. To get started, first click the text you want to edit. Make sure the text box is selected so PowerPoint knows exactly which word you want to change. This effect works best with larger, bold text because the image will be easier to see inside the letters. Once your text is selected, click Text Fill. This is the setting that controls what appears inside your letters. Normally, this is just a solid color, but in this case, we're going to replace that color with an image. After that, click Picture. This tells PowerPoint that instead of a standard fill, you want to use an image as the fill for the selected text. As soon as you choose this option, PowerPoint will give you different ways to add the picture. Next, click Stock Images. This is a convenient option if you want to use one of PowerPoint's built-in images without leaving the program. It's especially useful when you want a quick result and don't already have your own picture prepared. You can browse through the available image library and look for something that matches the style or message of your slide. Now choose an image. Take a moment to pick one that will still look clear once it appears inside the text. Images with strong contrast, recognizable shapes, and good lighting usually work best. If the picture is too busy, the text may become harder to read, so it helps to choose something visually simple and bold. Finally, click Insert. PowerPoint will place that image inside your text automatically. At this point, your words will instantly take on a much more eye-catching look. If the result doesn't look quite right at first, the main thing to remember is that the image inside the text depends a lot on the size and style of the font you're using. Larger text usually gives the best outcome for this effect. And that's it. You've successfully filled your text with an image in PowerPoint.